morning my children and welcome back to our science classes. Us on Saturday beta, in the first video of this lesson number 15 light, we have seen the definition of the light. What is light? Then beta we have seen the laws of reflection. What are the two main laws of reflection? Then beta we have seen the reflection also. What is reflection of the light? All these topics were over on Saturday, my child, in the first video of the science. Now, our children, today we are going to start the topic that is going to say about the properties of the image formed by the plane mirror. It means whenever we are looking into a plane mirror, then what type of the images the plane mirror is forming. Actually, my children, what is plane mirror? The mirror which we are using daily to comb our hair, the mirror which we are using daily to comb our hair, or the mirror which we are using to dress ourselves, that is the plane mirror. The plane mirror is the mirror which we are using daily for our combing hair or for dressing ourselves, that is the plane mirror. So what type of the images the plane mirror is forming, let us see in this video. So properties of the image formed by a plane mirror. So my dear children, a plane mirror always forms the upright or the erect image. So this is very good, my child. A plane mirror always forms an erect upright image. So my child, a plane mirror always forms the upright or the erect image. A plane mirror always forms the upright or the erect image. So as you are standing in front of the plane mirror, you will get your same image. As you are standing in front of the plane mirror, you will see your same image inside the plane mirror, that it is standing erect or upright. It is standing erect or upright, means the image is always straight or upright or the erect in the case of the plane mirror. Second one, beta, the image is of the same size. The second property, a plane mirror always forms the same size of the image as that of object. It means a plane mirror always forms the same size of the image as that of the object. So what is the image of the object in front of the mirror? The same will be the size of the image inside the mirror. So what is the shape and the size of the object in front of the mirror? The same will be the size of the image inside the mirror, which means the same shape and size of the image inside the mirror. So first one is a plane mirror always forms an erect or the upright image. Second point, a plane mirror always forms the same size of the image as that of the object. So these are the two properties. Now let us see the third property, my child. The third point is in my child, a plane mirror always forms a virtual image. A plane mirror always forms a virtual image. Virtual image. What is virtual image? The image which cannot be obtained on the screen. That image is called the virtual image. And the real image, what is real image? The image which can be obtained on the screen, that image is called the real image. But a plane mirror always forms a virtual image. Virtual image is the image which cannot be obtained on the screen. So a plane mirror always forms the virtual image. It cannot be obtained on the screen. Now my child, fourth point, the distance of the image equals the distance distance of the object object. So my child, the fourth point is saying the distance of the image equals the distance of the object. So my child, what is the distance of the object in front of the mirror? The same will be the distance of the image inside the mirror. Whatever is the distance of the object in front of the mirror, the same will be the distance of the image inside the mirror. Suppose the object is far away from the mirror. Suppose the object is far away from the mirror, then the image will also be very deeper inside the mirror. Suppose the object is very close to the mirror, then the image will also be very close inside the mirror. Suppose the object is far away from the mirror, then the image will also very deep inside the mirror. Suppose the object is very close to the mirror, then the image will also be very close inside the mirror. Now I try to fifth point is saying a plane mirror forms forms literal inversion, literal inversion, a plane mirror forms a literal inversion. What is literal inversion? The phenomena in which the left part of the body appears to be the right and the right part of the body appears to be the left in the plane mirror, that phenomena is called the literal inversion. So a plane mirror always forms the literal inversion of the image. What is literal inversion? The phenomena in which the left part of the body appears to be the right and the right part of the body appears to be the left, that is called the literal inversion. So my child, these are the 5 properties of the image formed by the plane mirror. So once again, let us revise the properties of the image formed by the plane mirror, my child. So listen very carefully. Yeah. So my child, a plane mirror always forms upright or erect image. So a plane mirror always forms the upright or the erect image. Second one, same size of image. A plane mirror always forms the same size of the image as that of the object. Now third one, a plane mirror forms virtual image. Virtual image. A plane mirror always forms the virtual image. A virtual image is the image which cannot be obtained on the screen. Now fourth point, equal distance of image and object. So my child, whatever is the distance of the object in front of the mirror, the same will be the distance of the image inside the mirror. Now literal inversion, inversion. So these are the 5 main properties of the image formed by the plane mirror. So what is plane mirror? A plane mirror is a mirror which we are using daily to comb our hairs or to dress ourselves. So such type of the image are being formed by the plane mirror. So you will always see the erect or the upright image. You will see the same size of the image as that of the object. You will see the virtual image which cannot be obtained on the screen. The distance of the image inside the plane mirror will be the same as the distance of the object in front of the mirror. A plane mirror always forms the literal inversion of the image. What is literal inversion? The phenomena in which the left part of the body appears to the right and the right part of the body appears to the left, that is called the literal inversion. So these are the properties of the images formed by the plane mirror. Now let us come to the next topic, my children, where is going to say something about that is going to say something about regular and the irregular reflection. Now regular, regular reflection, regular reflection. What is regular reflection? Listen very carefully, my child. So see, suppose this is the smooth and the polished surface mirror. Suppose this is the smooth and the polished surface mirror. See my child, suppose this is the smooth and the polished surface. Smooth polished surface of a mirror. Smooth polished surface of a mirror. Listen carefully. Suppose this is a smooth and a polished surface of a mirror. So my child now say, whenever the light is falling on the smooth and the polished surface like a mirror. Whenever the light is falling on the smooth and the polished surface like a mirror, at what angle the light is falling, at what angle the light is falling, the light is going back the same angle. See my child? So my child, see. Whenever the light is falling on the smooth and the polished surface like a mirror, at what angle the light is falling, the light is going back to the same angle. Suppose the light is falling at the angle of 45 degree, then the light will go back at the angle of 45 degree. Suppose the light is falling at the angle of 45 degree, it will go back at the angle of 45 degree. So much see, at what angle the light is falling, the light is going back to the same angle. Suppose the light is falling at the angle of 60 degree, angle of 60 degree, then it will go back at the angle of 60 degree. It will go back at the angle of the 60 degree. So here the method is, my child, whenever the light is falling upon the smooth and the polished surface like a mirror, at what angle the light is falling, the light is going back to the same angle. So such type of reflection is called the regular reflection. Such type of reflection is called the regular reflection. Regular reflection from the image of the object. Regular reflection from the image of the object. So the image of the object is being formed in the case of the regular reflection. So what is regular reflection? When the light is falling upon smooth and the polished surface like a mirror, at what angle the light is falling, the light is going back with the same angle, and the image of the object is being formed inside the mirror. Such a reflection is called the regular reflection. So my child, or reflection from the smooth and the polished surface like a mirror is called the regular reflection. Now my child, after this we will come to the topic that is going to say something about the irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. Now see it very carefully, my child. Irregular reflection. Suppose this is the rough surface like a wall. Rough surface like a wall. It is the rough surface like a wall having so much up and down. It is the rough surface like a wall having so much up and down. So see, whenever the light is falling on the rough surface like a wall, at what angle the light is falling? The light is never going with the same angle, but the light is going with a different angle. So see my child, whenever the light is falling on the rough surface, like the ground, like the wall, like the stone, at what angle the light is falling, the light is never going with the same angle, but the light is going with a different angle. In such type of reflection do not form the image of the object. Irregular reflection do not form the image of the object. So my child, that's why the images are not being formed on the wall or on the stone or on the ground. So see, what is irregular reflection? When the light is falling on the rough surface like the wall, like the stone or like the ground, at what angle the light is falling, the light is never going with the same angle, but the light is going with a different angle. When the light is going with a different angle, the image of the object is not formed. So irregular reflection will not form the image of the object where the light is going with a different angle. Irregular reflection is also called the diffuse reflection. So my child, so that is the difference between the regular reflection and the irregular reflection. So when the light is falling upon the rough surface, the light is going back with a different angle. Such type of reflection is called the irregular reflection or the diffuse reflection. Irregular reflection or the diffuse reflection do not form the image of the object. Now my dear, after this we will come to the topic that is going to say about the multiple reflection. Multiple reflection. Multiple reflection. What is multiple reflection? See my child. Actually, one plane mirror forms one image of the object. But suppose the two plane mirrors are being kept at an angle. Close to one another, then we will get more than one image of the object in a mirror. when two plane mirrors are being kept closer to one another making an angle. Suppose this is one plane mirror, this is one plane mirror. Suppose both these plane mirrors are being kept closer. Suppose both these plane mirrors are being kept closer to one another. They will form more than one image of the object. They will form more than one image of the object. For example, when the two plane mirrors are being kept at the angle of the 90 degree. For example, suppose the two plane mirrors are being kept at the angle of the 90 degree and the object is being kept in between of them. Then we will get the three image of the object. We will get the three image of the object. Suppose this is one plane mirror. Suppose this is one plane mirror and suppose this is another plane mirror. It is another plane mirror. So it is one plane mirror, it is another plane mirror, and suppose the object is being kept. Suppose the object is being kept in here. Then we get the three image. We get the three image of the object. One image here, one image here, and one image here. So we will get the three image of the object. When two plane mirrors are being kept at an angle, of the 90 degree, at the angle of 90 degree, we will get the three images. Plane mirror, which is also plane mirror. So much. What is multiple reflection? When two plane mirrors are being kept at an angle close to one another, we get more than one image of the object. So my child, actually one plane mirror will give you one image, but suppose the two plane mirrors are being kept close to one another by making an angle, we will get more than one image of the object. That is for the multiple reflection. So can you see one plane mirror is here, one plane mirror is here. Both of them are making the 90 degree angle. So and the object is being kept here. So we will get the three images. 1, 2, and 3. We will get the three images. So the three images. So my child, when the two plane mirrors are being kept at an angle of 90 degree close to one another by making the angle of 90 degree, we get the three images of the object. Now my child, see, suppose, so let us see my child, one plane mirror, one image. One plane mirror, one image. But suppose the two plane mirrors are being kept at the angle of the 90 degree, two angles of the 90 degree. Then the object is here. So we will see, and one image here. So see, three image of the object we get. Now suppose my child, we are going to decrease the angle. Suppose we are going to decrease the angle. Suppose my child, we are going to decrease the angle. Suppose we are going to decrease the angle between the two plane mirrors and we are going to keep the object in front of them. Then we will get more than three images of the object. So when we are keeping the two plane mirrors close to one another by making an angle of the 90 degree, we will get the three images. Suppose we are reducing the angle. Less than 90 degree. We will get multiple images. We will get the multiple images of so many images. So my child, suppose here the angle is 60 degree. Then we get so many images of the same object. And suppose the two plane mirrors are being kept parallel. One plane mirror here, and the object is the same. Then we will get the infinite images. of the object. Suppose we are keeping one plane mirror here, and we are giving the object in between both of them. Then we will get the multiple reflection. We get the infinite images in this mirror, For example, my child, you might have gone to a salon shop. You all are going to the salon shop. In the salon shop, you are saying that one plane mirror is in front of you and one plane mirror is at the back of you, my child. So my child, suppose if you are looking in the plane mirror which is in front of you, my child, you are getting the images of the back side image. You are going to see the infinite images. So my child, what is multiple reflection? When two plane mirrors are being arranged at an angle, we get more than one image of the object. That is called the multiple reflection. Actually, one plane mirror gives one image, but when suppose two plane mirrors are being kept at an angle of 90 degree, we will get the three images. Suppose we are going to reduce the angle. Suppose we are going to reduce the angle less than 90 degree. Suppose we are going to reduce the angle less than 90 degree between the two plane mirrors, then we will get the multiple reflection. And suppose the two plane mirrors are kept parallel. then we are getting the infinite images of the object in the mirror. Infinite is uncountable. So see here 90 degree, 3 images, 3 images means the less than 90, less than 90. Many images, and parallel, parallel mirrors, infinite, infinite images. So, when two planes were kept at the angle of 90 degree, we are getting just 3 images. When we are reducing this angle, my child, we are getting many images. And when two plane mirrors are being kept parallel to one another, we are getting the infinite images in both the plane mirrors. So let us see, suppose if you are going to reduce the angle less than 90 degree, means the 70, 60, 40, 50, 30, then you will see the number of images will keep on increasing in both the plane mirrors. You can do this activity at your home. That is called the multiple reflection. So when a plane mirror forms more than one image of the object, when the two plane mirrors are being kept at an angle, that is called the multiple reflection. Now, my children, after this we will come to the topic that is something about the after this, my children, will come to the topic that is going to say something about the means the dispersion. Dispersion. D-I-S-T-E-R-S-I-O dispersion. What is dispersion? So this is like the phenomena, P-H-E-N-O-M-E-N-O, the phenomena of splitting, S-P-I-L-L-I-T-I-O, splitting. The phenomena of splitting up of the white light into its constituent colors, C-O-N-S-T-I-T-U-E-N, constituent colors, is known as dispersion, D-I-S-P-E-R-S-I-O, dispersion. So what is dispersion? The phenomena of splitting up of the white light into its constituent colors is known as dispersion. So you see, my children, suppose this is a plane, suppose this is the plane, suppose this is the plane, P-R-I-S-M, suppose this is the plane. When the white light is passing through the plane, this white light is splitting into the 7 constituent colors. This white light is splitting into the 7 constituent colors. See, my child? See, V, I, V, G, Y, O, R. So my child, whenever the white light is passing through the prism, the white light is breaking up into the 7 constituent colors. This phenomenon is called the dispersion. Whenever the white light is passing through the prism, the white light is spreading or splitting up into 7 constituent colors. That is called the dispersion. Now can you see this band? This band, it is called the spectrum. S-P-E-C-T-R-U-M, spectrum. So it is spectrum. So much as see. Now spectrum, S-P-E-C-T-R-U-M, spectrum. The band of 7 colors. The band of 7 colors. The band of 7 colors. The band of 7 colors is known as spectrum. This band of 7 colors is known as this spectrum. So what is dispersion? The phenomena of splitting up of the white light. The phenomena of splitting up of the white light into its constituent colors is known as dispersion. So whenever the white light is passing through the drop of water, the white light is passing through the drop of water or through the prism, the white light is breaking or spreading up into the 7 constituent colors called the V-I-V-G-Y-O, that is called the dispersion, and the band of 7 colors which is being obtained is called the spectrum. See, my children, here, so each and every color is bending. Some colors are bending the least and some colors are bending the most. some colors are bending the most and some colors are bending the least. For example, the red color is bending less. Red color is bending the less, so it is on the top. But the violet color is bending so much. Violet color is bending so much, so the violet color is downside. The violet color is bending so much, so it is going down, and the red color is bending very less, so it is upper side. So VIVGY means the violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. I hope that you might have got it, my child. So see, in the same way, now let us see how the rainbow is being formed. Suppose this is the drop of water. When the white light is passing through the drop of water, suppose the drop of water. Suppose this is the drop of water. When the white light is passing through the drop of water, it is spreading up into the 7 constituent colors. Then we are getting a beautiful rainbow. In the same way, suppose this is the drop of the water. When the white light is passing through the drop of the water, the white light is spreading up into the 7 constituent colors, and we are getting the beautiful rainbow. Now it is the sky. So I hope they have got this person, the phenomena of splitting up of the white light into its constituent colors, that is called the dispersion. The band of 7 colors that is obtained, that is called the spectrum. So my child, how the beautiful rainbow is being formed in the sky? Suppose this is a drop of water. When the white light is passing through the drop of water, it is spreading up into the 7 constituent colors, and we are getting a beautiful rainbow. We are getting a beautiful rainbow in the sky. My choice is the VIVGYOR. We are getting a beautiful rainbow in the sky, because when the white light is passing through the drop of the water, it is spreading up into the 7 constituent colors. Now my child, in the same way, suppose the oil is floating on the water, and suppose the white light is falling upon that water in which the water is there. Then also the white light is splitting up into the 7 constituent colors, and we can see the beautiful colors there. In the same way, my child, you might have seen the soap bubbles. Suppose the white light is falling upon the soap bubbles. Then also we can see the very beautiful colors like the rainbow in the soap bubble, upon the soap bubbles. So it is all, my child. Thank you very much. In the next class, I will explain you about the structure of the human eye and much more information regarding this lesson. Thank you very much.